Morning, dear students, welcome to your VBPS e-learning class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I am your English teacher. Today we will start a new lesson, that is lesson number 4, nouns from English language. Today's classwork you will do it in your English language copy and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Students, start the work. Students, today we will start a new lesson, that is lesson number 4, noun. What is noun? Firstly we will study. What is noun? Noun is different. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Any name for a person, place, animal or thing. Like person, Mary, boy, girl, Ram, Shyam. They are the name of a person. Then place, India, Australia, Allahabad, Prayagraj, West Bengal, Assam. They are the name of places. Animal means cow, dog, lion, tiger. Thing, pen, cupboard, bedsheet, pillow, pen, eraser. They all are the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Or you can say naming words are also called noun. These are the names of person, place, animal or thing. So it is noun. Now we will come to forward. There are types of noun. What is that? Number 1, common noun. What is common noun? Like this is a pen, right? Which pen is this? We don't know. Like for example, this is a pencil. There is no name which company pencil. It is a common pencil. Then this book. This book also don't have a name. It is a common book. Like we say a group of boys. There can be many boys and we don't know their names. They are commonly called as group of boys, like pencil, book. Now proper noun means proper nouns are those have a particular name. It is a pencil, but which company pencil is this? It is a Natraj company pencil. It has a name, right? This book is Ramayana, means this is Ramayana book. It has a name. It has a particular name. These two things have particular names. Like my name is Antra. I have a particular name. So that is proper noun. And proper noun always begins with the capital letters. Now we will come to countable noun. Countable nouns are those nouns which we can count. Like I am counting my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like 1 tomato is there, 3 cherries are there. Now 4th one is uncountable noun. Can you able to count salt? No, we can't able to count salt. Can you able to count tea, water, honey? We can't able to count these things. So they are uncountable nouns. Now 5th one. What is concrete noun? Right? Concrete noun are those things which we can touch, which we can feel from our hands. We can touch cotton. We can feel and touch tree, leaves, like bag. I am touching this pen. I can feel this pen. which we can touch and feel by our hands. Now abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract nouns are those nouns which we can't touch but we can feel. Right? Like we can feel love but we can't touch. We can feel knowledge but we can't touch it. We can feel an idea but we can't touch it. Now, collective noun means a collection. Collective nouns means a collection of something, like a collection of people, animal or things, like a constellation of stars. It is a collection of stars. It is a collection of fish. Right? So, dear students, you have to do these works in your English language copy and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Write down your homework. Your homework is learn the definition of noun with examples from lesson number 4, that is nouns. That's all for today, students. Have a good day. Thank you. Students, if you have completed your work, then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. That's all for today. Your homework is learn the definition of noun with examples from lesson 4 noun. That's all for today. Have a good day. Stay safe at home.